مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Hello my dear students. Today I will show you how to write sound ing. We have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from line 2 and make a line down to line number 3. Next, go up to line 2 and around. Then start from line 2 and go away around. Next, go back up to line 2, then go down and around. Let's try it again. Start from line 2, down, go up and around. Start from line 2, go around, go back up, go down and around. Now you try with me. Down, go up, around. Go around, go back up, down and around. Well done, students.